Did you know that you can create your own tools and sessions and in this way bring any website or web app directly into your meetings? Let me show you what it looks like. I created a tool for Wikipedia, and now when I scroll and interact with this website, my participants can see exactly what I'm doing, even when I search for something. And the really cool thing is that one participant at a time can also ask to take control of the keyboard and mouse, and then everyone else in the meeting will be able to follow along and see what they are doing. So this really is ideal for onboardings, trainings, and even team meetings. Where can you set this up? Go to your profile, workspace settings, my product tool, and then add a product. It's really easy. Simply add the URL, give your tool a name, a description, and add the little logo. When you're done, click on confirm. So after doing this, where do you find this tool in Sessions? Simply go to Embedded Tool, search for the name of your tool, and confirm. It's as easy as that. If you need any help along the way to create your own tools or set this up, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to have a live demo with you.